ask yourself, is my cath lab ready for the future? Patient volume is growing, hospital resources are tightening, and the patient's perspective is increasingly important. When commitment to continued quality of care forces you to re-evaluate the status of your interventional X-ray department, Philips can help. We can offer solutions to relieve the anxious moments patients experience around their procedure, providing alternatives to the cluttered space and inadequate storage that hinders your staff. We employ technology, spatial design, and workflow improvement to achieve positive change. Philips Ambient Experience offers you tested solutions to address the total procedure experience. We offer recommendations to cover all aspects of the process. Send the staff through the scrub area directly into the control room. This route offers fewer obstacles while reinforcing cleanliness. Minimize exposure of patient to the busy clinical workflow and increase clinical productivity by separating patient and staff workflow. Create holding areas where patients can wait. In the control room, staff can enhance patient privacy by activating the privacy glass. The new cath lab is ready for transformation. The latest state-of-the-art fully digital Allura system arrived. Integrated, illuminated catheter cabinets line the wall for optimal, easy-to-reach storage of expensive catheters, creating a more organized and professional environment. Indirect, dynamic, colored lighting gives the physicians a comfortable view of screens and encourages a sense of well-being. Thematic video with high-quality soothing audio is added to provide powerful distraction for the patient. The Allura skylight assists with setup and patient preparation. Press a button and procedural lighting assures glare-free monitors. Skylight intensity levels, color selection, and even music settings can be defined and preset. During room preparation, the patient waits comfortably in an individual holding area where active relaxation is available. Patients are empowered to select their own room theme. Ambient Experience can be tailored to a variety of interventional environments. It can enhance the patient friendliness of a lengthy electrophysiology ablations procedure by providing the active relaxation required for the patient through nature-based art. Ambient Experience is a unique discriminating feature for your hospital. A clean, organized cath lab with improved workflow, happier patients, and a more satisfied staff will make your institution a preferred care provider. Your cath lab is ready for the future now. Philips Ambient Experience, turning healthcare into human care.